Hey everyone, welcome to Sheebas Cookery World. Today's recipe is burnt garlic egg fried rice. It is something that you can quickly prepare with the ingredients that are easily available at your home. You can make this either for your lunch or dinner when you run out of options. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. To begin with, we will have to cook some plain rice for this recipe. For this, I have kept some water for boiling, to which I am going to add some salt. Mix this and check the salt. It should be slightly on the higher side. We will also add in some oil and mix it. I have taken some Basmati rice which I have washed and soaked for 20 minutes. I have drained out the water completely and now I'm going to add this rice to the boiling water. If you do not have Basmati rice, you can use any other short grain rice for this recipe. Now give this a good mix, set the flame on medium and allow the rice to get cooked. Once the rice is 90% done, we will remove it from the boiling water and transfer it into a colander. This would help get rid of the excess water from the rice. Now spread it out evenly so that the hot fumes can escape. Set this aside and let the rice cool down completely. Now to prepare the burnt garlic, heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil turns hot, add in lots of finely chopped garlic. Fry the garlic on a medium flame until they turn golden brown. So once the garlic has turned golden brown, I'm going to transfer the garlic along with the oil into a small bowl. Now we will immediately take out the garlic from the hot oil, else it will turn out to be dark brown. Now into the same pan I'm going to add some more oil and prepare the scrambled eggs. Once the oil turns hot, add in the eggs one by one. For the seasoning, I'm going to add in some salt and some black pepper. Scramble the eggs with a spoon or a spatula. Transfer the scrambled eggs into a bowl. Let's start preparing the fried rice now. Take a wide vessel and pour in the oil in which we fried the garlic. I'm gonna add some more oil to this. Once the oil turns hot, I'm gonna add in some onion. Also some whites from the spring onion. Saute it for a minute. We will add in some finely chopped beans and carrots to this. You can follow the same recipe to prepare veg fried rice, just that you skip the eggs and add in more vegetables like baby corn pieces, cabbage, etc. Add in some salt, black pepper powder, light soya sauce, give this a good mix and then we will add in the cooked rice. Next, we will add in the scrambled eggs, some more spring onion greens, and finally the burnt garlic. Give everything a real good mix. Check the salt and add in more if required. Also sprinkle some black pepper powder, spring onion greens, and some light soya sauce. I will mix this well and then cover and cook this for just 2 minutes. This will help infuse the flavor from the burnt garlic, black pepper, spring onion, etc. into the rice. Mix this well and your burnt garlic egg fried rice is now ready to be served. You can garnish it with some more spring onion greens and serve this along with some tomato ketchup. So guys, do try this recipe of burnt garlic egg fried rice and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for notification of new videos.